In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Countif function in Google Sheets, focusing on solving a real problem with a practical example of using formulas and functions. This is a powerful tool that will help you analyze your data efficiently, whether you're managing a small project or tracking a huge data set. Let's start by opening up a Google Sheet. You can easily do this by accessing your Google Drive and creating a new spreadsheet. Once your sheet is open, you'll be greeted by a blank grid of cells waiting to be filled with your data and formulas. Now, you want to select a cell where you will enter the Countif formula. This could be any cell you choose, but typically it makes sense to use a cell that is easy to reference later. Just click on the cell to select it, and you'll see it highlighted, indicating that it's ready for input. Next, in the selected cell, you'll want to type in the formula. This is where the magic starts to happen. Type equals Countif, open parenthesis, then C:C, F3, and close the parenthesis. What this formula does is count the number of cells in column C that match the criteria set in cell F3. The column letter C indicates the range of data you'll be checking, and F3 is the cell where your criteria, or what you're looking to count, is contained. It's essential to ensure that your range and criteria are correctly set to get accurate results. After you've typed the formula, hit the Enter key. This will execute the formula, and you'll see the result displayed in the cell where you entered it. The result is the number of occurrences that match your criteria within the specified range. This feature is especially useful when analyzing data sets, letting you quickly tally up items, events, or any specific information that meets your criteria. Finally, if you have more cells where you want to apply the same formula, you can use the autofill feature. Simply hover over the bottom right corner of the cell that contains your formula until you see the small blue square. Click and drag this square down or across the cells you wish to populate. Google Sheets will automatically adjust the formula to reflect the new rows, making it incredibly efficient for handling large sets of data. And there you have it. You've now learned how to effectively use the Countif function in Google Sheets to solve practical problems with real data. With this knowledge, managing and analyzing your data becomes simpler and more intuitive. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be a pro at using these functions to make your data work for you. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials.